Hi, I'm Gerard Virga, a family law attorney here in Florida. Today, I want to talk about something that's in most parenting plans, but often gets overlooked until it becomes a problem: the August 1st calendar review requirement. As someone who's practiced family law in Florida for years, I've seen how this simple provision can make a huge difference in co parenting relationships when parents actually follow it. But I've also seen the conflicts that arise when they don't. Today, I want to share some practical guidance to help you make this process work for your family. Most parenting plans contain a provision that states something to this effect: the parents shall procure the school and holiday calendar by August 1st and review the calendar to discuss any issues related to time sharing with the minor child. If you have a parenting plan here in Florida, there's a good chance you've seen this language or something very similar. But here's the thing: this isn't just legal boilerplate, it's actually one of the most practical tools built into your parenting plan agreement. Here's why August 1st matters. There's a reason this date was chosen. By August 1st, most school districts have published their calendar for the upcoming academic year. This gives you time to plan before the school year starts, before conflicts arise, and before emotions start to run high. When you sit down with your co parent in early August to review these calendars, you're doing several important things. First, you're preventing conflicts before they start. That random teacher workday in October, the early dismissal before winter break, the spring break that doesn't align with your usual schedule, these are all things you can address calmly in August rather than scrambling to figure out at the last moment. Second, you're demonstrating cooperation. Courts love to see parents who can work together on logistics. This simple act of calendar coordination shows you're both putting your child's needs first. Third, you're creating predictability for your child. Children thrive on routines and knowing what to expect. When both parents are on the same page about schedules, it reduces anxiety and confusion for your children and for you. How to make it work? Here's how to approach this productively. Get copies of your child's school calendar, any activity schedules, and the holiday calendars. Sit down together, whether in person, over the phone, or via video call, and go through the year month by month. Look for conflicts with your regular time sharing schedule, mark any days that need special coordination, discuss holiday arrangements, and how they might affect the regular schedule. Document any agreements you make. Send a follow up email confirming what you've discussed and any changes you have both agreed to. When legal intervention may be needed. Sometimes, despite good faith efforts, parents can't agree on calendar issues. This is where the August 1st requirement becomes crucial from a legal standpoint and why timing matters so much. Here's the reality: I see it in my practice all the time. The legal process takes time. Courts have schedules, judges have dockets, and there are procedural requirements that must be followed. This means when conflicts arise, resolution does not happen overnight. I can't tell you how many times I've had parents call me a week before Christmas, desperate for help with a holiday timesharing dispute. But here's the hard truth: we often can't help them get the relief they need in time because we simply cannot get a court date before the holiday passes. The courts are busy, especially as holidays approach, and emergency hearings are reserved for true emergencies involving child safety, not scheduling disputes. This is exactly why I wanted to make this video and why that August 1st deadline exists. When you identify issues early in August rather than December, you have time to work through the legal process if needed. If you made the effort to coordinate calendars and your co parent refuses to participate or consistently creates conflict, you've created a documented pattern. Addressing these in August gives you 4 months to work through the legal system before the holidays arrive. That August 1st calendar review isn't just a suggestion, it's a requirement in your parenting plan for a good reason. It's designed to help you co parent more effectively, reduce conflicts, and ultimately serve your child's best interest. Don't wait until there's a problem. Make this annual calendar review a priority. Your child, your co parent, and your stress levels will thank you. I hope this information helps you navigate your parenting plan more effectively. If you're having persistent issues with calendaring coordination or time sharing disputes, don't hesitate to reach out for legal guidance. Sometimes a small intervention early can prevent much larger problems down the road. Remember, successful co parenting isn't about being perfect, it's about being proactive, communicative, and always keeping your child's best interest at heart.